Welcome to the end of term assembly. I'm Tegan.
I'm Shannon.
I'm Ethan. We will be your hosts for today.
Acknowledgement of country. Here's the land, here's the sky, with my friends, and here mine. Acknowledgement, past, present, and future. Plan, learn, today.
Please stand for the national anthem.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth untold, our home is girt by sea. Our land's about in nature's gifts, a beauty rich and rare. In history's page, at every stage, advance Australia fair. In joyful stage, and let us sing, advanced Australia fair.
Now we're on to our principal, Ashwini.
Good morning, everyone. Here we are having our Term 2 assembly. Term 2 has certainly zoomed past very quickly, and I can't believe that we are celebrating the achievements of students today. We are now ready for some rest time, some downtime, and during the holidays, I will be putting up a competition for NAIDOC Week. And if you do have time with your family to explore some landscape, there will be a competition posted on Seesaw that you can do with your family. You can write about your experience or draw about the landscape in Australia and send it back to the school when we return in term 3, and there will be 3 prizes awarded to families. Your work can be either drawing or it could be a piece of writing. Despite all the challenges we had due to the lockdown in term 2, we have had some really very settled students in the school who have done some amazing work, and we're very proud of the work that the students have done. I do want to take this opportunity to thank all the staff and all the family members for the great work you have done in supporting our students. Have a safe break, and we'll see you all in term 3.
Thank you, Ashwini.
Now it's Kelly and Danielle.
Thanks, guys. I am very excited to present this next award, which is the Principal's Award for a student in upper primary. This student is receiving this award for showing kindness and concern for all students and always trying to ensure that every student in the class feels safe. Congratulations to Arthur. Well done, Arthur. Great job. There's your award. You should be so proud of yourself. I'm now going to pass over to Kelly for lower primary.
Thank you, Danielle. I've got 2 awards for lower primary, and the first one is going to Ethan. Ethan, on this award it says that you have shown persistent in completing your work. Even when you find things challenging, you give it a go. That's amazing. And you've displayed great learning and is a fabulous helper in the classroom, not only to staff, but to his friends too. He works well with others, helps to pack up equipment that he uses, and is always respectful. Well done, Ethan. Come in, shake my hand and collect your award. Congratulations. Show the camera there. Amazing work. Well done. You can take a seat. Okay, and our next principal award goes to Sarat. Well done. And it says that you have gained so much confidence in and outside the classroom. You transition independently from the bus and is vocalizing all of your thoughts and opinions to your peers or your friends. Well done. Come and shake my hand. There's your award, and show the camera there. Amazing. You can take a seat. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Kelly and Daniel.
Now I introduce Tim from Bethany Road campus.
Okay, thank you, team. I am here to present a few awards from the Bethany Road campus. And the one I'm going to start with is the Principal's Award for Term 2. Now this award is going to Tarquin Irving.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Tarquin. You've shown significant improvement in his abilities to regulate his mood, engage in learning, and make the right choices. So congratulations.
Yeah, thank
Well
you.
done, Tarquin.
Yeah.
All right, and our next award is the Specialist Principals Award, and this was awarded for being very engaged and working together with others kindly and consistently. Unfortunately, this person is absent today, so I'll have to get this award to her, but congratulations to Alois Persglove. Well done, Alois. This award will get to you as soon as you're back.
Thanks, Tim.
Now we're going to Katrina.
Thanks, Tegan. I'm here now and I'm delighted to present the Principal Awards for Cayley's Road. The first award I have to present to is to a student who has embraced leadership roles in the classroom. He's worked hard to gain positive feedback at the end of the day to the class and is caring and sharing. He demonstrates the school values. We are so proud of this young man, Anthony. Well done, Anthony. Well done. Oh, we'll do our elbow. Beautiful. And there's your award. Would you like to show that to Brian? Would you like to say anything, Anthony?
No,
No. Excellent. Well done. And now we have a Principal's Award from the Specialist team for Cayley's Road Campus. And this is for a student for shining brightly in both visual and performing arts. It's Yaya. Well done. Excellent. Well done. Would you like to show your award?
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Well done, Yaya. Excellent. And back to Tegan.
Thanks, Katrina.
Now it's time for the PBIS Awards.
Okay, next we are going to go through some PBIS awards. So there are a couple of these students who are actually absent today. So I will just quickly go through congratulations to Bailey Diva for working together. Well done, Bailey. Also, congratulations to Delta Lovett for working together. So well done, Delta. I'll get those awards to those guys as soon as I see them. Next up, I have a PBIS award for respect. And this student was doing everything right this year so far and doing great work related to the PBL project. So congratulations to Kenny Meadows. Kenny, come on down. Well done, Kenny. There you are. Cheers. All right, our next award winner is in the category and value of learning. And this certifies that the student was showing growth in his learning by listening well to instructions and asking for specific help when needed. So congratulations to Alex Amazona. Alex, well done.
Thank you.
Congratulations. All right, and our last award winner also in the area of learning for showing growth and listening well to instructions and also asking for specific help when needed is Sean Farrell. Come on down. Congratulations. Come into shot if you like. There you go. There you are. Well done.
Yes.
So I'm delighted to present the PBIS Award for our CRC. And this award is for a student for demonstrating respect through always saying morning and goodbye to classmates and classroom staff at the beginning of each day and being overall respectful in everything he does. Congratulations to Zach. Well done. Excellent. Good job. There's your award. Should I have a look at Brian? Would you like to say anything, Zach? Well done. Excellent. Great work. And we're very delighted to have presented that award for the PBIS for Cayley's Road.
And now for the PBIS Awards from the Warringah Crescent campus. First up, we have the Upper Primary Award. So this award goes to a student called Jermaine. And Jermaine is getting this award for showing great respect for alerting staff members when he noticed that another student needed some medical help for a teacher. Well done, Jermaine.
Yeah.
There you go, Jermaine. Thanks, Jermaine. And our next award from Lower Primary is for Kia. Thank you, Kia, for being a wonderful role model for your great attitude of working together to help your peers. Well done, Kia. Thank you everyone for your amazing work at showing our 3 school values this term of respect, learning and working together.
Now it's time for the news report from Bethany Road campus.
Good morning everyone. You all know me, my name is Willie, and I just want to take this opportunity to say my farewells and my goodbyes to you all. As Tim stated last week, that I will be retiring, which means I will no longer be working, and this comes with a heavy heart that I'm having to break this news to you.
Goodbye, Willie. We'll miss you.
I will miss you, Willie. Have fun with your grandkids.
Thank you, Willie, for supporting us.
Bye, Willie. Bye, Willie. And have a happy life.
Goodbye, Willie. You wish all the best. You leave it forever.
Good luck, Willie. Hope you enjoy your retirement. We'll miss you.
Hi, Willie. I'm here to say we're all going to miss you because you've been like the big help and you've been helping the school a lot, and we will miss you. We're always going to be here if you need us. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching this assembly.
Have a great holiday. I've been Tegan.
Shannon.
And Ethan.
Bye.